first video in a minute with the Mustang. She looking nice and beautiful. Today, I'm going on a quick little drive. I'm actually rushing to be somewhere, so let's go. Alright guys, so I wanted to do a video on the top 5 things that I love about this car. Starting off with number 1 is just this digital dash. Honestly, I love the whole car in general, but this digital dash in general is crazy because honestly, that's the main thing I needed when buying the Mustang. I was thinking about getting the 6R80 before I got this one. I got the 10-speed, obviously. The reason being is because of this digital dash looking amazing, having all the gauges nice and propped up, having the My mode. I just need comfort in this car, honestly, because it's my daily at the end of the day. So comfort was the biggest thing for me. And I already have a friend who has a 6R80 Mustang. And don't get me wrong, the most reliable when it comes to transmission and motor. Well, transmission and Gen 3 has the best motor, just saying. Yeah, this thing pulls like a friggin' train. That is number 2. This thing move like, for it being stock, I think it's 450 crank, 480 with the active exhaust. I'm not sure, but like right now it's super cold, so I'm literally getting nothing but wheel spin, and that's crazy because this thing is stock. And I don't care what nobody says, 400 horsepower is all you need, especially for a daily driver. And the fact that I can make 1,000 horsepower on a stock motor, I don't know about how reliably, but I can make at least 800 stock motor reliably. I mean, the trans, I don't know if it's gonna live that long, but that's insane. This car is gonna be crazy by the time I'm done with it. I can guarantee you guys that. Honestly, this car from right now, I think I'm gonna have it forever. This thing is too good just not to keep forever, honestly. The third thing that I love about this car is having like the option to change the mode of the exhaust and changing the mode in general. Like we have, like right now, I mean, I've been driving this thing on straight track mode the whole time. That's basically my mode, is just sport steering and track exhaust and track mode the whole way through. I love the active exhaust and how loud it gets for it just being stock. So I can imagine when I do like an X pipe, I might honestly do an H pipe instead because I like how deep the tone is and it sounds like a true muscle car. I don't really like the sound of the X pipe just because of how raspy it can be sometimes. But honestly, at the same time, I do love how I can still have a conversation in the car while it being still loud, you know? Like, my girlfriend's recording for me right now, and me and her can still have a fine conversation while I'm romping on the car, you know? The fourth thing that I love about this car is honestly how much of a good daily it surprisingly is. The only other thing that might not, I mean, honestly, it could be good on gas. Me driving it, it's not going to be the best on gas, but honestly, it's a good grocery getter. It has a pretty big trunk, it has back seats, you know what I'm saying? Some people say they're comfortable. I mean, my girlfriend was back there, I had a few people back there, my mom was back there, and they were all comfortable in the back. Me personally, I don't think I'm fitting back there because I was in my boy's 6R80. I never got in the back of my car, but me, I think I'm too big for that. But
the amount of legroom it has, though, and it could keep going if there's nobody in the back,
I mean,
is a plus for someone who likes a lot of legroom.
That's the thing. Like, honestly, I'm surprised. I don't know if there's just a lot of little people in my car, but
A bunch of doors.
You know, got a whole bunch of doors that come in the car and they're able to fit in the back. But if you're above like 5'10", I don't think it's a good fit for you, to be honest. But as a daily, it's pretty comfortable. And if you don't drive the car in track 24/7 and do a pull every like 5 minutes, you should be alright. It is not necessary for this much damn salt. I don't think we're gonna have that much snow. There's only in this one area. Look at, bruh. Where? Whatever. So the fifth thing that I love about this car is honestly the color. This thing is absolutely freaking stunning. When I was picking out this car, the first thing I said to myself is that I need a grabber blue. My favorite color is obviously blue. I had a ST that was racing blue, I believe it was called, the code number. I actually just washed this car yesterday for the first time since owning it, and it just looks fucking magnificent. Never had a car that looked this damn good. Oh man, I can't wait till everything is perfect and get better fit me on the car, better wheels. Don't get me wrong, these premium wheels, they're starting to grow on me a little bit, but they're not exactly what I want. But they're, oh man, this thing is nice. I can't even complain. This is gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. These were my top 5 things that I loved about my brand new to me Mustang GT. Next video is probably gonna be the top 5 things that I dislike about it. Let me know if you guys want to see that. It's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, because that's where I'm posting most of my content. And let's go.